Welcome to week 4. You will be examining curriculum models for this course of study. You'll find out that the curriculum is so much more than just books. Think back to Module 1 when we talked about standards for learners, such as the grade level expectations set by the state. Standards are what a student is expected to know or be able to do by a specified time. The curriculum is what you use to teach the standard. Materials such as books, software, and classroom tools are easy to recognize as curriculum. But there's so much more. The strategies you use, the class schedule you build, the assignments, projects, and assessments are also curricular components. The environment you create in or outside your classroom is part of the curriculum too. You will see these aspects reflected in the curriculum models you study this week. You will also notice that some theorists also created a curriculum model in which to implement their ideas. The values of the theorists prompted this. Nowadays, teachers, families, schools, and communities at large will often drive the use of specific curricular components that reflect their values and philosophies. According to the IRIS Center at Vanderbilt University, in order to create an environment conducive to the learning and development of infants, toddlers, and preschoolers, these 3 components must be carefully designed and implemented. Indeed, every aspect of a classroom's environment's design should reflect its program's priorities and philosophies. So the components of an early childhood environments include the physical environment, the overall design and layout of a room, including its learning centers, materials, and furnishings, and the social environment, the interactions that occur in the classroom between peers, teachers, and family members, and also the temporal environment, the timing, sequence, and length of routines and activities that take place throughout the day. We, as teachers, control these components. Reflect as you study this week. Think about the curriculum used when you were in school, or if you're in the classroom now. What components can you identify? How do they align with the values of the teachers, families, schools, and communities at large? As you study this week, what themes and values do you notice in the posted curricula? What appeals to you? You're beginning the foundation to developing your personal philosophy of education. Have a great week, everyone.